Nestled on a quiet cove in Tega Cay is Pitcairn Park. The natural setting of the park gives it a mountain-like feel that can become a haven even on the most stressful of days.
Pitcairn Park, okay, which is located down in this area, and this is kind of off the beaten path. And I can talk to some people that have been here as long as I have, and they're not quite sure where Pitcairn Park is to this day.
The park may be a well-kept secret, but not to the many boaters who use the boat ramp or the folks who use the large tuning fork-shaped pier for fishing, sunbathing, or just hanging out with a good friend. Families are always using the park's covered shelters and restrooms as they cook out, picnic, or just play with the kids. If relaxation is what you need, grab a book and head for one of the observation decks at the park. You can sit back and unwind as the sun tickles you through the many large hardwood trees. Don't be surprised if you're awakened from an unexpected nap by one of the boats as they gently hum along on beautiful Lake Wylie. And the city is always looking for the next step.
Recently, there was a tract of land here which was called Section 31. The houses were going to be built on it, but we were able this past year to buy the property, and we're turning it into the first true nature park within Tega Cay called Winne Roo Park. And what we're going to be able to do is connect. We purchased the one lot that connected the two, so that Pitcairn Park really extends through now over into Winne Roo Park, which is full of walking trails, park benches, and that type of thing.
If you are into nature, you can explore the woodland walking trails that surround the park. Many of the trails are located on the newly opened Winne Roo Park, which is adjacent to Pitcairn Park. Winne Roo Park is a large wooded park with trails, bridges, and many benches to rest along the way. You may only be a few yards from the nearest backyard, but you can feel far away from everything, except another bench. You would think that tall trees need a well-secured root system. It looks like someone forgot to tell this tree. And his neighbor is not faring much better. Remember, these are just a few benefits of living the good life in Tega Cay. So enjoy.